Okay, so let's pick up again where we were talking about the last ayah of Surah At-Tawbah, which is which is a famous dua. So, um, if you say in the morning and in the evening, so has the root hasin ba, it comes, it means to be adequate. So hasbun, hasb, where the middle mnemonic is the sukoon, uh, and the first mnemonic has a fatha. So it means it follows the pattern hamd. You can see it follows the same pattern. Fa'alun, hamdun, hasbun. Hasb means something that is adequate. So it is enough for me. Allah is enough for me. So that's what the dua is. Hasbi, my adequate, my thing, my sufficiency is Allah. Okay, so then Allah Subhanahu wa Taala describes Himself with the Shahaadah, which we know La ilaha illa, and except instead of La ilaha illallah, it's La ilaha illa huwa, which is the third person singular pronoun. Huwa is a singular, and of course the third person plural pronoun would be hum, but this is singular. So except there's no God except Allah, illahu, except Him. So this is the second simple sentence which we already had discussed in the when we talked about the Shahada. Uh, uh, and so now the third uh, simple sentence is alayhi tawakkaltu. Um, alayhi tawakkaltu. So actually, it's four simple sentences. So this is the third one, uh, which starts with a preposition or a yeah, or a article of lowering, like we discussed with in Bismillah. Uh, but here it's alayhi. So on, ala means on or upon, and it's attached to the third person suffix pronoun, which is who. But since who is coming after a preposition, it gets the kasra. It's lower to a kasra, so it becomes he, and the ala, the yam of uh, the ya, the alif maqsura of ala becomes a regular ya, and so that's why with the sukoon alayhi, upon him, so it's referring back to Allah. Alayhi tawakkaltu. So tawakkal, it comes from the root waw kaf lam, and it's actually it's this Allah Subhanahu wa Taala is introducing us to the form 5. Form 5 is just an extension. You just add a ta in the beginning of the mnemonic, and the second mnemonic gets we call a shadda, which we had talked about in the lesson about the shadda, and meaning that the kaf is doubled. So tawakkala. So, but since it's being attached to the first person singular suffix pronoun, it's tawak. So the last mnemonic gets a sukoon, and the suffix pronoun is tu for singular, first person singular. So tawakkal to depend upon. It means to depend on. So on him, uh, I have depended. Tawakkaltu. And then the last simple sentence of this dua is وَهُوَ رَبُّ الْعَرْشِ الْعَظِيمِ. So, and wa means and huwa is of course the third person singular pronoun. وَهُوَ Rabbul. So we had discussed about Rabb, that is the Lord. So Huwa is the first noun, and the second noun is a possessive, a long possessive. Rabbul Arshil Azim. So the Lord of the throne. Arsh is throne, and Azim comes from the root Ain Allah, the Mim, which means to be great, and Azim is the noun, or in this case, it's an adjective following the pattern fa'il. So Azim, Arsh, so it's definite, and because Arsh is definite, and it's the last letter is Lord Azimi, like because Arsh is also Lord Arshi, Rabbul Arsh Azim. So the Lord of the great throne. So let's stop there.